Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download images from Google in just a few easy steps. Whether you're on a PC, laptop, or phone, it's super simple. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to images.google.com. Then type what you're looking for in the search bar, for example, sunset wallpaper or funny cat memes. Press enter, and you'll see tons of image results. Click on the image you like. A larger version will appear on the right or center on mobile. Make sure the image is clear and high quality before downloading. On PC or laptop, right-click on the image. Then select Save Image As. Choose the folder where you want to save it, give it a name if you want, and click Save. Done. You've just downloaded the image. On mobile, tap and hold on the image. Then choose Download Image or Save to Photo, also depending on your device. The image will be saved to your gallery or downloads folder automatically. Some images on Google may be copyrighted. If you're using the image for a project, video, or website, make sure to use tools like usage rights filters to find free-to-use or Creative Commons images. Click Tools, then Usage Rights and select Creative Commons licenses to stay safe. And that's it. Now you know how to download images from Google quickly and safely. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want more tech tips. Thanks for watching.